look across multiple sectors and see a very high degree of growth across almost all of them. At the rate that India is going to grow, we're going to see multiple sectors having to play a role in that. But key in that is going to be manufacturing, because manufacturing has to grow 16 times in the next 23 years for us to meet the Viksit Bharat goal. So the commitment that we made to our investors is that from 21 onwards, we will grow EPS at 15 to 20% every year, and we will maintain an 18% ROE. And yes, ROE, we've always said we'll have some blips based on investments that we make, but that is a long-term view.
We're very optimistic. I think everybody is looking at India with a lot of interest. The GDP is good. The per capita is going up. This year monsoons were very good. Rural consumption is looking very good. Very stability after all the elections of this year. So I think we have a lot of optimism. If you see the CAGR, it has been consistently growing at about 5%. Whether you see the 5-year CAGR or the 10-year CAGR, going forward, CRISIL projects that the next 5 years also the CAGR will be in the range of 4.5 to 6%. I think Hyundai wants to really grow hand in hand, with the Indian people, with the communities.
So we have a 23% market share in SUVs. We have a 44% market share in tractors. We have a 49% market share in LCVs. So in SUVs, we still have a long way to go. There is a lot more share that we can pick up. And for us, it is creating outstanding products. And what we've just launched recently in electric vehicles has captured the imagination of customers. And the feedback we get is very strong. So therefore, we don't look at industry growth rates at this point in time. For us, it is about how can we create that product for the customer that enables them to take a product at a much faster rate than industry growth.
So I think we are looking at EVs in a very optimistic way. So we have a 3-pronged strategy here itself. One is, of course, more models to be launched. So after the Creta EV, we have 3 more models to be launched, which will be a combination of base up dedicated EVs as well as derived EVs. The other thing is that we are looking at the supply chain. So before the Creta EV is launched, we have already localized the battery packs. Then we are looking at the cell manufacturing with a local Indian partner, which will again be a very big step. And also we are looking at drivetrain and power electronics in terms of the localization of the EV ecosystem.